Have you ever imagined a phone that folds not once but twice and becomes a full 10-inch tablet? Today, we're exploring the Samsung Galaxy Z TriFold, Samsung's most futuristic device of 2025. The Galaxy Z TriFold uses a trifold design with two hinges that unfold into a 10-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X screen. This main display supports 120Hz, 2160 by 1584 resolution, and can reach up to 1600 nits brightness. When folded, you get a normal 6.5-inch AMOLED cover screen. The device weighs 309 grams and measures just 3.9 millimeters when fully opened. Samsung built it with titanium dual-rail hinges for better strength and long-term durability. Inside, the TriFold runs on the Snapdragon 8 Elite 3nm chip. It comes with 16 gigabytes of RAM and either 512 gigabytes or 1 terabyte of storage. Connectivity includes 5G, Wi-Fi 7, and all modern wireless standards. Despite the complex folding design, it still carries an IP48 dust and water resistance rating. On the back, the TriFold has a triple camera setup, a 200-megapixel main lens, a 12-megapixel ultrawide, and a 10-megapixel telephoto with 3 times optical zoom. For selfies, there are two 10-megapixel cameras, one on the cover display and one inside. Samsung fitted a 5,600 mAh battery across all 3 panels. It supports 45-watt fast charging, 15-watt wireless charging, and reverse wireless for accessories. The phone ships with Android 16 and One UI 8. On the large 10-inch display, you can run 3 apps side by side for advanced multitasking. The TriFold also supports full standalone Samsung DeX, giving you a mini desktop experience without plugging into a monitor. Buyers also get a 6-month Google AI Pro trial for AI productivity tools. Samsung launched the Galaxy Z TriFold in South Korea on December 12, 2025. Global rollout begins in early 2026, including the US, UAE, Singapore, Taiwan, and China. Pricing starts at 3,594,000 Korean won, which is around 2,450 to 2,500 US dollars. The launch color is crafted black. So what do you think of Samsung's first TriFold smartphone? Is this the future of mobile devices? Share your thoughts in the comments, and stay tuned for more tech breakdowns on Tech Talk.